So as I said, we would go for a proper drive a few weeks later when the car was ready to go back to its, well, original garage where we actually restored the car. And that moment is now. It's about a month later since the car came back from the garage and the specialist, and it's finally time to bring the car back home. So I thought this was going to be the best time to take you with me for a drive in the car now. Unfortunately, it is winter. It's only like 6 p.m. right now maybe, but it is pitch black outside. So it's going to be a drive in the dark, but that has its charm as well. Now, before we go, let's take a look at the carburetors first, and yeah, just see the upgraded and better K&N air filters. With that out of the way, let's get inside the car, start it up, and go for a drive. The last drive of this year, and probably the last drive before March or maybe even April 2022. But we'll be back, of course. Okay, choke out, a few pumps of the throttle, and now this should go pretty easily. Oops. So that went pretty smoothly. Now let's leave for the final drive of the season. There's something about driving these classic cars, these especially British 1960s classic cars at the dark or in the dark. It always gives me the feeling as if I'm driving at Lamar, like the Spa 6 hours, something like that. It's well, it's a pretty amazing feeling. never ever get enough of that Tourist Trophy exhaust. That was the best purchase ever for this car. Oh my god. Oh, listen to that. And I have to admit, with these with the engine now dialed in and the new air filters and this new exhaust, the car drives amazingly well. I've said it before and I'll say it again, it's so responsive, and the MGB is a simple car, but oh my god, it works well. It works so goddamn well. Oh yeah. Well, I guess this is a very good farewell for the rest of the season. I'm glad I got to enjoy it one last time. Luckily, even though it has been very cold these past few days, it hasn't been snowing, it hasn't been raining, the weather has been very good, the roads are dry, so I think this is the ideal send-off for the rest of the season. But do not worry, I do have a few very cool things planned for next year, and I look very much forward to continuing the journey in 2022 in the new season, in the summer and spring. It'll be a very fun year. We'll return to the Le Mans Classic, we'll do some road trips, we'll return to the Spa Classic, do many more events, do some meetings. We'll organize an event of our own again, and overall it will be just a fantastic year. And well, for all the guys who were watching the restoration series, thank you very much. I know at the moment there's not many of you. I think a lot of people are also not really up to date with the fact that Historic Race HD became Retroschaft. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. At the moment I just enjoy making these videos, and that's the only thing that counts right now. We'll see what we get up to in the future, and in the meantime, take care and have a very good winter. And I'll see you obviously in the next video. Goodbye everyone.